No, actually, I think you met the person I just showed. That is true. That's true. Okay, those are two things that you need. That's called the Pythagorean identity. Okay, this is the Pythagorean identity. And there's also other variations you can use, cosecant and all that will work there too. What does tan theta equal, please? Sine of cos. Sine theta over cos theta. Sine of A plus B equal to X. Nope, not at all. Sine plus A. Okay, lovely. What is sine of A minus B? These are all things you need to know going into this course. What's sine of A minus B? John, go.
Sine A. Oh, is it? Cos?
Yeah.
And what's the one where it gets like inverted? Oh, yes, I.
These are all rushing down to your brains, right there. If they're not, they should be. Okay, here comes the next one. Now we're going to pick somebody, pick a random person in the back row, actually the second back row. You can guess what is sine 2x equal. What is sine of 2x equal? Well, what I say we're going to be using the final sine 2x equals to? What are we going to be using? Yeah, sine A plus B. So that's going to be like sine x plus x. So what's sine x plus x going to equal?
Sine x cos x plus sine x.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll show my work. Okay, so we're going to say sine of 2x. And c is equal to sine of x plus x. Okay? So the other do that, sine of 2x, sine of x plus x. Yeah. Okay? So that just means this one here, so I'm going to call that equal to sine x cos x plus sine x cos x, which is equal to 2 sine x cos x. We're using this one a lot, actually. That one's big. So I'm putting a red. Okay, using the same idea. Can you guys show me what cos 2x is, please? Take the next minute of your life and let me know what cos 2x is. I have pause here, take a sip of coffee. Questions? Sarah, go ahead, cos 2x is what?
Is it cos squared x minus x?
Yes, it is. Let's look at what we had back. Yeah. If you can't remember, here we go. So I'm going to do this as cos x plus x is equal to, here we go, please, cos x minus sine x, which is equal to cos squared x minus sine squared x. No, just sine squared x. And you can do all sorts of neat things with that. Okay? What's another way I can see that, because cos 2x can represent a whole bunch of different ways. And this is where you can use your brain here. What's another way I can represent cos 2x?
Cos x sine x times cos x plus x.
Good, whoever said that, 1 minus sine squared is right, okay? You can call this 1 minus sine squared x. Yes. okay? And then call cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. What's another way I can represent cos 2x, not cos squared x? What's another, what's another way I can represent cos 2x? Because these are sort of things you don't have to do here for the derivatives and stuff eventually. What can I do? Get that? Yeah. So I can go down here and change that to 1 minus cos squared x, right? And this is going to be then, 1 minus, so that's going to change into, oh yeah, 2 cos 2x minus 1, so cos 2x equals 2 cos squared x minus 1. Thank you. Those are 3 ways those can be represented, okay? But basically, you can get, that's kind of it, please. You can get these two from the middle one, no problem. Read those copy not there. Megan, how you feeling? Okay. Is this starting to come back a little bit from last semester? No, it hasn't. That's okay. You should have been in the final exam. It would have been stuck in your brains forever. And just sort of read those. I didn't skip the final exam. I wrote it 3 years ago, that course. I said, okay, read. Sorry. Example 1. This is an identity. This is another one of these things, Matt, where calculus will work out beautifully. Always. So how can I show that sine of pi minus 2 minus x is equal to cos x? Can someone give me a good starting point? Uh-oh. This one is on different units. Yes. Okay? Use a compound angle formula. So we're going to use what is that going to equal then? Yeah? Okay. Are we okay on the first step there? Most people are saying okay. Now you want to say, Mr. Sadler, that doesn't look, it looks like you're making this worse rather than better. Why is this better? What is sine of pi by 2 equal to, please? Yes?
1.
This is equal to 1. How do I know that? Yeah, the way, hold word gets the graph in a second, okay? That's when I get to the graph in a second. Oh, you can type that in the calculator if you need to, but I'm going to show you on the graph here. What is cos of pi by 2? Yeah? Okay, one person's going to pass this unit. This is making me feel good. Hey, David, hold it aside. I know, honestly. Hold on close right and put the heads on your desk. Close right and put the head on your desk. Okay, if I were to give you $1 million if you knew that sine of pi were 2 by 1, who would earn that $1 million? Raise your hand if you knew that already. In all honesty. With no calculator. Who needs to work on the special triangles? Raise their hand. Who is aware that Caitlin Sullivan said that special triangles you need to know for university because you won't have a calculator then? Okay? If you forget that, I'm telling you right now, okay? Okay, you're going to raise your heads here right now, okay? This unit is 1. I'm using we're doing no calculators in this unit. I'm strong considering it, okay? What I would do for that is to be cruel, okay? But the idea would be you should be able to go all the way around the unit circle. If you remember, I'm going to keep it as a Kate. When she came in there, she said, you know, Mr. Sadler, I didn't realize how powerful the unit circle was until I couldn't use a calculator. And then she figured out that all the tricks with it nicely. Now it worked, okay? I will not give you a paper copy of the unit circle in this course. I know some teachers historically have done that, okay? I'm trying to decide, what's that? I'm trying to decide how to decide whether or not, if it's going to be like that or not. But if something like this, something like this, you should be going, if there's a 5x4 or a 5x3, you should be getting your answers instantly at this point, rather than saying, what is that again? And if anyone tells me that sine of 5x4 is equal to 0.707, you're going to zero on that question. I'm just going to say that right. Do you hear that? Who's online here? I hope you heard that, okay? You'll be losing marks if you tell me that a special triangle answers are decimals. Not only incorrect, you're also -1. And no, I think I understand how because I could, so this is what's like to cos x. There's another nice identity for you right there. And that's an example. Also on a tangent, I think what I'm going to do, so I'm going to give you, we have two options here. I have paused here so the internet doesn't need to hear this.